ওয়েলকাম টু পার্ট 3 অফ হারপিক। আমরা কিভাবে তৈরি করছি হারপিকের, এটা তৃতীয় পদ্ধতি।
Now what we have done earlier, the same thing we will do. We will first put, we have put 300 ml water and 15 ml acid thickener. Acid thickener we are putting 15 ml. You see, this is a basic ingredient. Generally, people tell other things, but acid thickener, and if we use hydrochloric acid, then acid thickener is a must. Without acid thickener, we cannot do HCl. Then you put HCl, and perfume we will put 1 ml. Perfume very nice. You won't get such a perfume. This is also made by us. This perfume also made by us. We have put in 300 ml 1 ml perfume, and now we are HCl will give 60 ml. You see, after this should be mixed properly. It should be mixed. Water and perfume and acid thickener should be mixed. Acid thickener cost is around 250 rupees to 300. Now, after mixing acid thickener and perfume in the DM water of 300 ml, now we are putting HCl, hydrochloric acid, 60 ml. You see, slowly color will be changed. Slowly color will be changed. It will be thickened. It is almost jelly-like. So we are not putting all. It is almost jelly. You see, it is very thick jelly. So you have not put very good quality acid thickener and very good quality HCl. Then it has thickened. Now we will put one important thing, that is caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. This is mainly for cleaning purpose, but if you put it, it will be smoothened. It will be smoothened. You see, now it is not coming, so it is very thick, but there will be smooth jelly type if we put this sodium hydroxide, caustic soda. Caustic soda we cannot put directly. So what we will do, we will take 4 gram of caustic soda in 10 ml of water. 10 ml of water, we will put 4 gram of caustic soda. Here also you should use very cautiously because it may spoil your eyes, it may spoil many things. So now we will put caustic soda 4 gram. You see, if we put 4 gram caustic soda, 2 gram, 3, 4 gram. 4 gram. Now close it properly. Now we will put it in water. You see, immediately water, that will be fume and this will be very hot. But you cannot put this hot thing in your compound. Then there will be a other type of reaction and it will be spoiled. So it is hot now. We have to keep it for time being, and then only we can use it. Instead, I have made a soda lye. This is 600 ml of water and 250 gram caustic soda. So with this I have made a lye. Now it is cooled. So I will put 25 ml of this.
What is this?
This is caustic soda lye.
अच्छा
Earlier I have prepared and kept it.
Okay.
It is now cooled. So we will slowly put it. You see? Come on here. You see how thick it is. Devanjan, come on here. You see? You see, there is no change at all. It is little bit smoothened, that's all. It will be smoothened and viscosity will be there totally, and it will be more transparent, more useful, more cleaning power. Generally, the branded companies uses only acid thickener and hydrochloric acid. We think that was the formula, but no. Actually, they use either the sodium chloride or this caustic soda. So you see how the thickening is. Thickening, it is there, full thick.
full thick, right?
Yes. So we thought earlier that we cannot mix anything other than acid thickener and hydrochloric acid. Later on, after experiment and after permutation and combination, mixing this, that, and we finally found out that we can mix perfume also. We can mix either salt or caustic soda. These two things, now it is, you see the thickening capacity of this thing, you see. You see how much gel it is. Now we'll put, this is acid color, not general color. This is acid color, it is available in the market. Now we'll put the acid color in it. So perfume is already mixed, acid thickener is there, then hydrochloric acid is there, then caustic soda lye we have put 50 ml, 25 ml. Now we are putting color, you see how nicely it is colored. It is more powerful than earlier one, and how the smooth and good looking it is. How smooth and good looking. So we have made three types of hydrochloric Harpic. One is simple acid thickener and HCl. Another is acid thickener, perfume, HCl, then salted water with salt, and this third one we have made with the caustic soda. I think those who are making the Harpic, they can utilize this formula for the better marketing and their better use. It will be marketed nicely. We are giving training also for this making at our Arogya Sandhan Charitable Trust Vocational Training Center at Sonarpur, Arapanch. People may contact us for this type of training, and we are not charging anything. If people donate something to our Arogya Sandhan, it will be useful for this cost, for recovering all this cost which we are spending for experimenting. Thank you all. Thank you.
Niranjan. Thank you.